Okay, grilled cheese time. So I got my little panini maker thing. I got my 4 things of cheese. You can use any cheese, just you kind of want it to be like the slabs, so it's easy. I got butter, and then some bread. Here's my plate. I got 2 pieces of bread. Now I'm going to take the butter and put it in the microwave for like 8 seconds. So as you can see, we have slightly melted butter. Just gonna get a knife, grab a bit. It's up to you. I grab about this much. Just spread it. There it is. It's a regular side. That's the butter side. I'm just gonna do the same thing on one side of the other piece. Okay. Both pieces are buttered. So now, plug your thing in before, because like, now it's not ready. So now I gotta wait. There's like a red light on it. Once that turns green, then I can go to the next step. Oh.
Later. Much later.
Clicked. Okay. So now there is a green light on. So I'm gonna take my bread. I'm gonna take one of the pieces, open it up, and I'm gonna get my cheese ready first. So I'm gonna take it all off. Okay, I'm gonna open this up, and I'm gonna stick it butter side down. Butter side is on my fingers. So butter side down. I'm gonna quickly put all of my pieces of cheese. That's a lot of cheese, bruh. Stunned. Okay. Then you grab the other one, butter side up, and boom. So now it's cooking. And unless I did it wrong, we should have a grilled cheese in a minute. That's about almost ready. So I'm going to show you. It's a good brown. Put it down for another second while I get ready. Lift it up. Scooch it onto my plate. Unplug it. Now, we have this amazing grilled cheese. So let's cut it diagonally, because that makes it tastier. Hear that? Here it is. Ooh, it's a good grilled cheese right there.